Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to add many numbers in WhatsApp group without saving number. Alright, so let's begin with the video. The first step, open up WhatsApp app and then just enter your group. Once you've done that, tap right here at the very top, add group's name to go to group info. Then just scroll down until you find the Add Members feature. Right here, you can tap Add Members, and then you will be able to add your unsaved contacts in that group, just like normal. There is another method. If you don't want to save someone's phone number to your contacts, you can tap at Invite to Group via link, just like that. That's where we can copy our link to the clipboard, and then we can share it on any social media platform. You can share this link to your unsaved numbers, and when they click on this link, they will be joined in your group. So this is the way in which you add many number in group without saving their numbers. Also from there, we can send link via WhatsApp. We can tap right there and then choose our contact. But we want to invite users who are not in our contacts book, so we can tap Add Share Link, and then we can share it using any of social media platforms. And also we can create or generate QR code. We can save it, save image, that will save that QR code to our camera roll, and then we can let someone just scan it, and that QR code leads anyone who scans it to your group. So that's basically how you can add many numbers in WhatsApp group without saving number. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.